Oh shit. This one.
You got it. Too. That one gotta be.
That goes there. That goes in with the last clamp with the bond. So it goes like that, all put together. Okay.
Brian, this is gonna go on the last clamp. Thread. So he was saying that this is gonna go on the last clamp.
Yeah, in between.
Okay.
That's good enough.
Agree with the power bond. It just looks like
Not a power bond lead.
3 of them are touching.
We're grounding wire. Green for ground.
He's connected. Just push it. It's in there. That's a good dog.
Same way we do a battery.
Goes in there. Okay. No, don't twist that. It's good. It's simple as that. Push the black wire up in there a little bit.
Each string you put into your string.
Okay, I need to wire this real quick the way with the right color so you guys aren't lost. Because when you take the test, you're all lost. Alright. Turn it off. Voltage. But just the amount of shade, if 4 or 5 of you go ahead and stand in front of the thing, put some shade on it, and I'll show you the difference.
How about big people that actually can make shade?
Well, it doesn't have to be necessarily be big people. Alright, so right there you're already down to 74 volts.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna
So now move away and it'll go right back up to like 100. It's already up to 119 already. So these put out about, the VOC on these are about 34 point something volts. So, and like I said, right now it's putting out 120 volts. It's 5.3 amps worth of power going into the batteries right now. Remember, the inverter runs off of either the panels and goes from DC to 120 volts AC, or goes from the batteries and does the same thing. When we do the stand and deliver in the classroom, we'll go strictly on battery power. Get the tools from there. It's a 7/16 socket. It's on a ratchet and a nut driver that you can use. Here, put it down there. Put it down there where it's 2 bottom rails and stack them against the wall over there, please. Straight up in there. Watch out, don't grease fuse anybody. Set it up on the hand.